The special steel market is a critical segment of the global steel industry, supplying high-performance steel grades designed for superior strength, durability, and resistance to wear, heat, and corrosion. These materials are essential across automotive, aerospace, energy, construction, and industrial machinery applications. CITIC Pacific Special Steel Group leads the market with 8%, followed by Nippon Steel Corporation at 6%, China Baowu Steel Group at 5%, ArcelorMittal at 4%, and POSCO Holdings at 3%. Together, these companies account for 26% of the global market, highlighting a competitive landscape driven by innovation and growing demand for high-performance steel solutions. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.